Following on from the previous lessons on organizing your model using layers, groups, and components, it's time to talk about scenes. These first two lessons are vitally important for getting consistent and appealing documentation out of SketchUp and Layout. It might seem like a little bit of work up front compared to some other BIM programs that you might be used to that have got this stuff baked in, but you really only have to do this once. Also, the process I'm about to show you is completely flexible, allowing you to tailor the output specifically to your needs and taste, something that I don't think is that easy to achieve with other software packages. Again, this is not intended to be a comprehensive exploration of SketchUp, but rather a simplified guide to get you up and running as quickly as possible. Please do spend time exploring the various tool sets and developing your own systems. Okay, let's get started. Scenes are the vital link between SketchUp and Layout. They're how you manipulate your 3D model to create 2D content with which to populate your drawings. Scenes allow us to control and save different states of layer visibility, different camera angles and views, style settings, and active section cuts through our model. Don't worry if this sounds complex. Scenes are really nothing more than just a collection of various settings, a snapshot of your model, if you will. If you come from an AutoCAD background, just think of scenes as a viewport of your model that you can later arrange in Paperspace, which is Layout. They are dynamically linked back to the model, so any changes that you make to the SketchUp file will automatically update the views in Layout.